Hi guys, and welcome back to button making with Mr. Keatings. Today we'll be making buttons. As you can see, this will be our button today. And Reese will be our demonstrator. So Reese is going to get her paper and put the cutters on the paper.
I'm trying to center it.
Right now she's centering her thing to make sure that her picture is right in the big middle of her button.
Okay.
Okay.
I think it's
Now Reese holds down on the top of the blade.
I'm just making sure it's like center. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Reese holds down the top part and pulls it clockwise to cut her image out.
This is clockwise.
I hope it is. Perfect. Once you have your image, you will place it onto the button making machine.
Oh, it's too high. I didn't want that there, but okay. So one shell like this. It says instructions there. One shell, one artwork.
So Reese is placing her shell and placing her image on top of the shell, centered how she wants. And she places the myelin over her image to seal it in.
Okay. So then
And press.
oh, it's this way.
And press it, and it cuts. And here, the top part of it is on the part. And now we insert the back of the button.
With the wavy line?
With the wavy line
Not
up,
the pin.
Yes.
not the pin.
And
To
then
insert the top, she just pulls down.
All the way.
Oh no! Let's see how this comes out.
still came out.
It still came out good. And there you have your own pin.
Yay!